for the Southtown Jaguars. I'm in fourth grade and I'm a quarterback.
Jake, you guys made it to the semifinals today of the 5th, 6th grade tournament here at the Battle in Seattle. Tell me about the experience.
It was cool. Our team did really good, I feel like, but we just didn't come on top. But we're so inexperienced together, and I feel like we did pretty good.
As a quarterback, you're kind of looked at as the leader for the offense. How do you feel the offense did today?
We did good. Our coach, he made some really good decisions for us, and I think we did overall good.
If you had to give an MVP of the offense other than yourself, maybe who was the best player of the day today for you guys?
I don't know his last name, but Tony.
Tony? All right, what about the defense? Who stepped up on defense?
I feel like Tony again. No, Gio.
Gio?
Yeah.
So Tony was maybe the offensive MVP for you guys and Gio on the defense?
Yeah.
What junior football program do you play for?
The Junior Jags.
Junior Jags. So you're going to go to Emerald Ridge?
Yeah.
All right. Well, best of luck. We're going to keep an eye on you over the next couple of years, and good luck everything going forward, all right?
Yeah.
Good work today.